How to fix Facebook login error on Android. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how you can fix your Facebook's login error on Android. So without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. If you're facing login issue for the Facebook application on Android, there could be various reasons for this. The first thing that you want to check is your internet connection. If you're using Wi-Fi, you can try to switch your cellular data or vice versa and see if that actually helps you solve the problem. Now, if that doesn't, then what you can try to do is you can just long press the Facebook app icon over here, then tap on this I icon or the I button that says App Info. This setting will be found on any Android phone, by the way, so you just have to look for it and go to storage usage. Now here you can clear the cache files and choose to clear the data as well and delete it. Then when you've done that, you can open up your Play Store or your App Store, search for the Facebook app, and just check if the Facebook app has an update. And of course, if it does, then you want to make sure to update it to the latest version. And if none of these are working, make sure that your credentials itself are correct, because maybe due to an incorrect password or sign-in information, you might not be able to log into your account. So I hope this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down below. As always, thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.